Hey everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Unlocked. Today we're solving the Geeks for Geeks problem of the day, longest substring with exactly k unique characters. It's a classic variation of the sliding window pattern, and mastering this will help you tackle a range of substring problems in interviews. You're given a string S made up of lowercase alphabets and an integer k. You need to find the length of the longest substring that contains exactly k distinct characters. If no such substring exists, return -1. Let's say input s equals abacabebebe, k equals 3. We want the longest substring with exactly 3 unique characters. If we explore the string, cbebebe is one such substring. It contains c, b, and e. Its length is 7, which is our expected output. This problem is a slight variation of the standard sliding window pattern. Here's the plan. Use 2 pointers, I and j, to mark the window. Use a hash map to count characters within the current window. Expand the window by moving j until the map has more than k unique characters. When the window has more than k, shrink it from the left by moving I. If the window has exactly k unique characters, update the max length. At the end, if no valid window is found, return -1. We initialize a frequency map to track characters in the window. We expand the window by incrementing j and updating the map. If the map size exceeds k, we move I forward until we're back at k or fewer unique chars. When the size is exactly k, we update the max length of the window. This pattern ensures we're always checking the longest substring with exactly k unique characters. Let's dry run on s equals abacbebebe, k equals 3. Initially map is a, 2 unique, keep expanding. After reaching cbebebe, map equals cbe, exactly 3 unique, valid, length 7. We continue, but no longer substring meets the condition. Check. Final answer equals 7, time on. Each character is processed at most. Space OK. The hash map stores at most k characters. And that's how you solve the longest substring with exactly k unique characters using a sliding window and hash map. This is a super important pattern to master for both LeetCode and GFG, especially for substring-based questions with constraints. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more breakdowns, and check out our LeetCode 150 playlist. See you in the next one.